shit. Has your dad seen you do this shit before? It's probably like freaking dumbass.
I'm standing on the ground right now. Oh, I gotta hop back on.
Don't fuck no bitch that fucking with your dog. Yeah, no. You come on, don't forget about your dog.
Cooler!
Dude, oh my god.
You can see smoke bubbles coming up. XMR 700, we're starting to feel a little bit low on power. You can see where exhaust was blowing out past the gasket right there and right there. That's because the screen was so plugged up with mud. Yeah, so a few things to point out there. Full disclosure, that clay hole I was in on the Can-Am took me like 3.5 minutes to get through. I edited it to like 30 seconds to not bore you to death. But I never spilt my beer and I made it through without getting off the machine, which is the first time for that hole in the middle of it. Anyway, that 300 took a huge amount of abuse. From the very beginning, his right rear tire was just, the rim was just spinning in the tire, so he's basically 2 or 3 wheel drive, depending on if both front tires were on the ground. Sometimes it was 1 wheel drive, so it kept like doing donuts on water wheelies. Absolutely hilarious ride, tons of cool people, a lot of deep stuff in this video. As usual, if you like what you see, drop a like, subscribe, and check out the Patreon page. All the links for all my stuff in the description of this video. This is what the tall snorkel's for?
Snorkel works.
There goes the dash. My freaking Pioneer's on its 3rd dash, dude. Oh, he was leaning a lot. That was starting to scare me. Not even close. The back of your roof's way higher.
We need to cut her down a little bit. That's pretty neat.
Dude! Oh! There's a hole there. CF Moto.
It is.
Shit, with arched A-arms, you'd be out of threads on those. I didn't have any threads on mine, so.
That's awesome. Fuckers, man! tire's letting you down.